The people are moving in opposite direction. I would like to go into this direction, which is quite a side of this road. People are going into that direction. Probably that might be what to say, probably that might be the right path where the temple used to lead, but this is a place of public convenience also out here. Let me see, but it's a sightseeing site. You see what it is. I'm on the right path. I must say this is really a grand place to be out here. I don't know what lies next out here, but it is a solemn place. It would have been a palace sometime where the Maharaja used to have fun. But it is really a grand place. I don't know how people used to climb upstairs. There might be some place, but it is really grand and well maintained. Perhaps people, the lovers are always there. Surendra, who loves who, can be find out here. SSRR. I don't know who loves who. You can see Amar. So it's a silent place actually, and you can see window into a window. There is a window out here. Solid teaks. So the teak is falling out here, you see. So it's dangerous, but let's have a little adventure out here. There might be snakes also. Let me be a bit careful. This is true arc what they call. This is true arc architecture. This is true arc actually. The keystone is missing out here. The keystone is missing out here. The keystone. So this is the keystone here. The true arc. The keystone out here. So this is a really grand place where it would have been a palace sometime. I don't know how people used to climb upstairs. Oh, so this is the way to upstairs. Shall I go? Yeah. This is upstairs, but very dangerous actually, because the roof has fallen actually. The roof छत्ता पहले गिर चुका है यहाँ पे. You see, it is highly dangerous place, but it is really beautiful one. The Bangla Chhatta, the example of Bangla Chhatta, the West Bengal architecture out here is present, mixed with Islamic enchantment. So it is very cool. So it is. आप राजस्थान में हैं लेकिन बंगाल यहाँ प्रेजेंट है. ये जो छत्ता है ना, ये बंगाल के छत्ते से इंस्पायर्ड है. अच्छा. ये इस्लामिक एलिमेंट है. ये जब इस्लाम में आया था तो ये की स्टोन आर्किटेक्चर इस्लाम में आया. हमारे यहाँ पिलर होते थे पहले, जो सॉलिड पत्थर के पिलर है ना, जैसे ये इंडियन एलिमेंट है, ये इस्लामिक एलिमेंट है. आप कहाँ से? मैं झारखंड से हूँ सर. ये राजस्थान से लिया गया. ये सीढ़ियाँ जो है हमारे यहाँ पहले लकड़ियाँ होती थी भारत में, इसका इस्तेमाल होता था. भारत में इसका भी इस्तेमाल होता था. ये एलिमेंट जो है इस्लामिक एलिमेंट है, जो हम लोग पश्चिमी जब मतलब क्या कहते हैं, जब तुर्कों का आगमन हुआ भारत में पृथ्वीराज चौहान के हारने के बाद, तब से आया है. So this is one of them. So I am with many people. They are very friendly with me out here. So I will stop the video out here. Next video I will come afterwards. See you.